Dear students, our body activities are controlled by two systems. One is neural control by the nervous system, that is brain and nerves. The second one is chemical control by hormones, that is secreted by the hormonal glands. Here look at the picture. Here we can see a pituitary gland that is situated near the hypothalamus. Pituitary gland is considered as the gland of other glands that is controlled by hypothalamus, part of nervous system. Look at the picture. Here the pituitary gland shows two lobes, anterior lobe and a posterior lobe. The anterior lobe connected to the hypothalamus by a vein known as portal vein, while the posterior lobe is connected to the hypothalamus by nerve fibers. Thus, the anterior and posterior lobe of pituitary is controlled by hypothalamus two ways. Now look at this. Here the anterior lobe of pituitary produces two hormones. One is a growth hormone known as somatotrophin, which promote the growth of the body. The second one is prolactin, which is a hormone that help the production of milk. If the production of somatotrophin, that is growth hormone, increases during the growth phase, it leads to the excessive growth of the body. This condition is known as gigantism. The decreased production of somatotrophin during the growth phase leads to the stunted growth of the body, known as dwarfism. Due to the increased production of somatotrophin after the growth phase resulted a condition known as acromegaly. Now look at this illustration. From this, the anterior lobe of the pituitary gland produces two hormones which control two activities in our body. Now look at this illustration. Here the anterior lobe of pituitary gland produces another type of hormone, that is stimulating hormone or trophic hormone. They stimulate the activities of other hormonal glands. Look at it in detail. Here there are three types of hormone. One is ACTH, adrenocorticotrophic hormone, which stimulate the activity of adrenal cortex. The second one is TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, which stimulate the activities of thyroid gland. And the third one is GTH, gonadotrophic hormone, which stimulate the activities of gonads, that is testis and ovary. Then the posterior lobe of pituitary gland produces two hormones. One is oxytocin, which facilitates the childbirth by stimulating the contraction of smooth muscles in the uterine wall and also facilitates lactation. The second one is vasopressin, that is known as ADH, anti-diuretic hormone, because it controls the water level in our body by controlling the urination. This is done by controlling the reabsorption of water in our kidneys. This shows the hormones produced by the pituitary gland and their function in detail. In short, the hormones are secreted from the posterior lobe of the pituitary gland, are produced by the special neurosecretory cells of the hypothalamus. The posterior lobe of the pituitary gland stores these hormones and releases into the blood when required. Thank you.